Every day, your skin secretes a lot of oil and sweat. This oil, also known as sebum, attracts dirt and germs all day. So it's important to wash it away. While plain water is enough to wash off the sweat, oil needs something more. And that's where soap comes into the picture. Soap molecules disrupt the chemical bonds that allow oil and germs to stick to the surfaces, lifting them off the skin. This leads to creation of micelles, a type of colloid soluble in water. When rinsed, all these molecules get washed away. Isn't it amazing that these reactions happen every time you take a shower? But you may not have noticed them before. Let's change that today and begin our next Byju's how-to activity. For this activity, you'll need oil, water and liquid soap. Pour some oil into the water. Try to mix oil with water. How much ever you try, you'll find that they don't mix. Now, add some soap to the mix. Mix it again. And there you have it. The soap has dissolved oil with water and led to the creation of micelle. And now you know why experts recommend regularly washing your hands with soap as an important measure against coronavirus. So keep washing your hands, keep clean, and stay safe.